Workers around the state have been preparing for cases of COVID-19, and experts say the peak in West Virginia could come later this week.
Hospitals around the state have been doing their part to prepare. Alex Hines is in the newsroom now. He has a closer look at how one area hospital is getting ready.
Well, Don, Amanda, Davis Medical Center in Elkins says the disease in Randolph County has been manageable so far, but that doesn't mean they're not ready to handle a larger number.
You can count the number of cases of the coronavirus in Randolph County on one hand, but even so, with the peak of the disease in West Virginia expected to arrive later in the week, doctors at Davis Medical Center say they're not taking anything for granted from those projections.
And those peaks also look at the number of available beds in the state, the number of ventilators in the state, the number of critical care beds in the state, and then it looks at the number of potential patients that are going to be affected.
The hospital has had a plan in place to handle diseases like this for some time, which means making the changes needed to deal with a pandemic wasn't as difficult as it could be. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Catherine Chua says they have a place to put patients who may be suffering from the virus to keep them and everyone else as safe as possible.
We're trying to keep most of our people under investigation in a certain area in the hospital. And that way, it's easier for the nursing staff so that they don't have to put on and take off their personal protective equipment all the time.
Just because the peak is due this week doesn't mean the state is out of the woods afterwards. Chua says there's been a lot that residents have done well, but there's a long time to go before the state is in the clear.
West Virginia has done a great job of flattening the curve. And so what that means is that we still expect to see over time about the same number of COVID cases. It's just that that number is going to be more of a trickle into our hospital systems than, like a blast from a fire hose.
Now, Chua says even if the state experiences the peak number of cases this week, there's still a long time to go before cases will shrink to a manageable number, and she encourages people to keep up the same hygiene and social distancing practices. For 12 News, I'm Alex Hines.